You searched how to buy shares of ADT Inc. This video shows the basic steps to purchase ADT, the security company traded on NASDAQ under the ticker ADT. This is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy ADT, you need a broker account. We use eToro as a neutral example. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an ID document, and then add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search and enter the ticker ADT to find the correct listing. Confirm you have selected ADT listed on NASDAQ to avoid similar names. Open the ADT stock page to review a short company profile and the price chart. Check the company description and the ticker again to confirm it is the right asset. Click the Trade or Buy button, choose the amount you want to invest, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until it reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your ADT position will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed. For the example link and more resources, see the description below.